for
Bollywood movies.
Bollywood. No, I
Yes.
think movies have a great way of communicating the message to the audiences. And what Varun and Alia as well as Shashank have been talking about is not only the destination itself in terms of the experiences, the infrastructure, but the people of Singapore give that kind of warmth that makes Bollywood stars, when they come there and do the movies, they come genuine in the screen, right? So you don't, it's not a put on, right? They really enjoy, they really have a party time, and that comes through, and that's why I think the Bollywood has been also very, very cooperative in sending out a very positive message about Singapore.
Also, I think more than anything, the tourism helps us in a way that they make it accommodating for us economically, even infrastructure-wise, so much that you feel like coming back. It's so easy to shoot. There are these terms we use in filmmaking, shooting friendly. Kya ye jagah shooting friendly hai? You know, that will people distract you from there? Will the law and order be a problem? Will the environment be a problem in any way? But I think Singapore is apt in that sense. The weather report is always bang on. अगर बारिश होती है, you come to know बारिश इधर से इतने टाइम से इतने टाइम चलेगी और बंद भी यही टाइम को होगी. So we were all well prepared because of that.
Perfect. And Mr. Jagdish, I want to ask you your experience of shooting, you know, Alia shooting at the Silk Air Training Center. Can you tell us some stories or your memories?
I didn't go for the shoot, but you know, the facility on its own, it's really a sacred facility. We do not allow anybody to see what's happening behind the scenes. I think that's what we would see on screen as well coming up now. But as Alia mentioned, you know, it's tough to get into the role. We do see the crew playing out on board when we are there, but when you experience it, what goes behind the training and how do they take care of us on board, it's really fantastic and amazing to experience that.
If I could just add on two things about Shashank and Varun and Alia. So one, when I met Apurva and Shashank for the very first discussion, one of the key takeaways and why we try to cut short the 45 days or 50 days of processing time and really make it, and in Singapore we call it chong. Chong means really working very hard, was the passion with which you guys talked about the story and what Badri and Vaidehi's journey is going to be in the second half of the movie or in the way that Singapore is going to be portrayed. So that's one. So Apurva and Shashank. And the second part is about Varun and Alia. When we met them in Singapore for the final, after the conclusion of the movie, I think we were finishing it up, and we had a dinner. Yeah. And they were very tired, right? It was a long shoot. You guys were very tired. But I liked the way that, and it was quite late in the night, but they were still very passionate about talking about Singapore. They did a sort of a spill about how it was. So I was very, very energized by the fact that both Apurva, Shashank, when we were talking about story, and Varun and Alia, when you guys were doing the shoot in Singapore, how you seem to convey the right positive energy that seems to be part of the story as well as the Singapore experiences.
You know, we haven't really emphasized enough about this, but a big part of the film is in Singapore, primarily the second half of the film. And
yeah, just let it go.
We were standing next to a board called Singapore. I mean,
but we've mentioned how much ever
they know we've not gone to Las Vegas.
But don't now, it's okay.
Just give them the conflict point.
Mic le lo.
Alia is on that poster. I still feel that's you.
Well, I'm at this point going to request Mr. Pura Mehta to join us on stage as well, sir, if you may please.
I think it is fab. It was really lovely. किसी ने अभी once more बोला.
हाँ, काफी लोगों ने once more बोला.
Once more actually देखना है.
We are.
We will
truly
surely
touched.
play it. We'll surely play it.
You all liked
alright,
it?
towards the end.
आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा? पूछ रहे.
You must
Once more.
thank Ankita. Where's Ankita? It was her idea, my Singapore Tourism
It's a
Board
superb
staff,
idea,
Ankita.
Ankita. Thank
Beautiful
you.
idea. Big round of applause for Ankita.
Fantastic. Okay, so now I'm going to go on mute for the next few minutes because it's time for our media members to ask their questions. Please keep it short and brief. We have time for approximately 3 to 4 questions. So here we go.
हाय हाय
हेलो सर.
हाय आलिया सिंगापुर के बारे में तो कई सवाल मोहतरमा ने पूछ डाला है आई थिंक, लेकिन आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि ये जो वीडियो आपने अभी देखा इसके विषय में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप दोनों.
जस्ट इट्स बहुत स्पेशल है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये देख के कि जब एक हिंदी गाना किसी दूसरे देश में बजता है तो लोग कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, कैसे आप प्यार देते हैं. और दिस ट्रूली शोज दैट एशिया जो है वो एक है. वी आर ऑल टुगेदर इन दिस. एंड सिंगापुर ऑनेस्टली हैज़ बीन अ होम. हम लोग का जो रिश्ता है, इसके पहले आई डिडंट थिंक ऑफ सिंगापुर सो क्लोजली लाइक आई डिड. जब मैं वहाँ पे गया, टाइम स्पेंड किया, तो यू शुड नो कि हमारे हिंदी फिल्मों का कितना बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस है वहाँ पे. और सिर्फ इंडियंस ही नहीं या एशियंस ही नहीं, बट इनफैक्ट पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट कल्चर्स वो भी हिंदी म्यूज़िक इन्जॉय करते, हिंदी फिल्में इन्जॉय करते. उनके थिएटर में हमारे फिल्म लगते हैं, काफ़ी स्क्रीन्स मिलते हैं हमको. एंड ट्रूली बहुत ही हॉस्पिटेबल जगह है. और one thing which I feel very proud of, that there are so many Indians over there, people of Indian origin, who are doing so well in Singapore, and Singapore treats them so well. और वो बाकी देशों में नहीं होता है, but Singapore does that, so that says a lot about them.
आलिया.
No, I think I'm very touched. I think वरुण ने सब कुछ कह दिया है. बहुत ही sweet है. Also कुछ हमें पता नहीं था. But when you see them actually lip singing और हमारे जो फिल्म के steps कर रहे थे और डांस कर रहे थे, it's so cute. You just feel like you feel very special और अपना सा लगता है. So that's lovely.
आज ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स भी थे और सुबह सुबह एक goof up भी हुआ बहुत बड़ा कि लाला लैंड को बोला गया, देन मूनलाइट.
I think कि मैं और आलिया गलत लोग हैं goof ups के बारे में बात करने के लिए.
हाँ.
तो क्योंकि कार्ड किसी और के पास होता है, आप जाते हैं और अवार्ड लेकर के चले जाते हैं, तो क्या आने ये कोई अलार्मिंग है आप मतलब किसी भी इंडस्ट्री के लिए?
I feel it's human, honestly. If you make a mistake, अगर कोई गलती करता है तो ये यही दिखाता है कि वो एक इंसान है, रोबोट नहीं है. क्योंकि खाली मशीन doesn't make mistakes, या कभी-कभी machines भी make mistakes. So it's totally okay. It's human, but it's totally okay. Yeah. There's
As far as the
nothing wrong.
mistake was rectified and the deserving person got the award, that's more important.
आलिया, आप भी कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
आलिया.
Mr. Sridhar. Yeah. I have a question for you, Mr. Sridhar. It's on. Yeah. From 1.1 million visitors to so many Bollywood movies, what is actually the USP for Singapore that is attracting so many visitors?
I think Shashank should answer this as why did we go to Singapore as a place?
As I've already mentioned that the Singapore was a very important character in the film. I wanted, when I'm from Nasik, a small town. When you talk about Singapore, it immediately, when we used to mention it, it was a city where you could go and fulfill your dreams. It had an aspirational value to it. So that's something which I've kind of retained from there and said that even today when you mention Singapore, कि मैं Singapore जा रहा हूँ, you kind of have an aspirational quality to it in terms of that someone's going there to make a future, someone's going there to kind of go and learn something and maybe, have a better life. So that's the thought I kind of took into my script, and that's the reason I chose Singapore.
And Mr. Sridhar, your take on that?
My take. I think I'll offer two reasons. One, Singapore offers a concentration of experiences. Within Singapore, you can do your beach shots, you have got beautiful infrastructure, dining, gardens. I mean, we are a city in a garden. So the concentration of locations, concentration of experiences that you can put on film. And Singapore looks good on camera. I mean, one of the things that Shashank was talking to us about when we were ideating about the movie, he said Singapore's cityscape will look very good in the movie. And when I saw the movie's shots, it does look very good. So number one, concentration of experiences. I think number two is the ease, convenience, and warmth of the place. I think when Alia, Varun all did the shoot, they could feel the warmth of the people, right? There were a lot of people involved in the shoot. It was a 20-odd day of shoot. So Singaporeans make the filmmakers feel very comfortable, although there are processes and all, but the processes are for a purpose, but the warmth of the people. So the second thing is about the ease, convenience, and the warmth of the people that makes shoot very good in Singapore.
You know, even the local crew over there was of so many mixed ethnicities over there, and all of them really went out there and gave it their best. So I think that was really important.
Hi, Alia, Varun, over here.
Hello.
Singapore has been always a dream destination for we Indians, actually. You know, when was the very first time you all visited? Any memories you would like to share?
The first time you visited Singapore?
Yeah.
For me, it has to be Universal Studios, but I went there when I was 16 or 17, so obviously I was very excited to go to Universal Studios, sit on all the rides, buy all the merchandise. तो हम लोग 3 दिन के ट्रिप के लिए गए थे and I was just like I want to go to Universal Studios, I want to go to Universal Studios, and out of 3 days, 2 days I spent in Universal Studios. Actually, I have a very interesting question for Apurva. Apurva, is this the second Dharma movie shot? Which was the first Dharma movie that we shot in Singapore?
Singapore, Dear Zindagi.
Dear Zindagi, not before that anyone?
No, not before that.
Okay. So y'all are, as a company, even y'all are repeating
Yes.
Singapore
Yes,
again and
absolutely.
again.
No, it's been a great experience with Singapore, and we really look forward to going back there again.
Alia, what
Alia.
did you take back from the trip in Singapore? Like the
Whether
key
the first
thing.
time you visited, actually.
The first time I went as for a very short while. But I remember going to this Marina Bay Sands hotel, and that is supposed to be known very famously for its infinity pool, if I'm not mistaken, on top. तो वो मैंने बहुत सुना था कि वहाँ जाना चाहिए. मैं गई, and it was lovely.
Alia,
वैसे
हम-
बेसिकली पहली बार इतना मजा नहीं आया, सेकंड टाइम जब हम लोग साथ में थे तो बहुत मजा आया उसको ये क्रू में.
Correct.
बोल सकते हो कि हमारा क्रू और कूल था. बोल दो.
मैं ये नहीं कह सकती.
क्यों? गुफा हो जाएगा?
हाँ.
व-
और
वरुण
ऑलरेडी
ने-
एक गोफ हो चुका है आज.
या वरुण एंड आलिया, वी बीन ऑलवेज सीइंग लाइक आप लोग जब भी साथ में होते बहुत नोक-झोंक होती है, आप उनकी काफी खिंचाई करते हो, तो आर यू रियली लाइक दैट ऑन द सेट?
मेरी टांग खिंचाई करती है.
Are you really like that? Yeah.
नहीं, ये हम लोग बाहर रिहर्स करते हैं.
हाँ.
ये
कि आज
जो-
अंदर जाके नोक झोंक करेंगे. No. We are.
They have
really
been like that since the
We
first
are
day
enjoying,
I
we are
met
enjoying
them.
a lot. We are enjoying a lot.
That's very
actually.
sweet. Thank
I'll
you.
say.
नहीं हम we are like that only. हम बहुत नोक झोंक करते हैं and we are very always fighting. और मतलब वो होता है. नहीं मतलब वो fighting but वो तो हमेशा चालू है ना. Not the angry fighting.
गुफा हो जाएगा.
Now this is the new thing for today. कुछ मत करो गुफा हो जाएगा.
Hello. Hi, Varun.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. I'm good. I wanted to ask you that you're teaming up with Shujit Sarkar soon, and you know he also spoke about the project. So, what are your thoughts on that? How excited are you to be working with him?
Honestly, this is something we're doing for Badri and Singapore, so I don't think it's the right place. But I'll just confirm the news if that I am
He's
teaming
going
up
to
with
request him
Sujit
to shoot
Sarkar.
the film in Singapore.
Okay, I think we have time for 1 or 2 more questions, Max. All right, can we have a mic reach this person, please?
या हेलो
right.
वरुण जी,
हाँ जी सर, कैसे हो पाजी?
बस मज़े में. पिछली बार हमने ट्रेलर लॉन्च में आप दोनों का डांस देखा, आज स्क्रीन पे और स्टेज पे दोनों जगह मिस किया. सेकेंडली ये जो गाना है बहुत अच्छा गाना है, इसके पीछे क्या वजह है? जो ऑलरेडी गाना आ चुका है, हिट हो चुका है, उसको फिल्म में लिया गया. आपका रिएक्शन?
एक्चुअली इसका ये बहुत सही जवाब आपने पूछा है. हम लोग ने गाना सिर्फ इफेक्ट के लिए नहीं डाला है, क्योंकि अगर आप कोई भी क्लब में जाओ तो आप देखेंगे जब नौजवान लोगों के लिए कोई पुराना हिंदी गीत बजता है कोई भी क्लब में तो बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं, बहुत नाचते हैं. एंड एनी येस्टरयर हिट प्लेस. सो हम लोग ने वी क्रिएटेड द इन्वायरमेंट की जब हम लोग सिंगापुर में एक बॉलीवुड नाइट के लिए पार्टी करने जाते हैं कहीं ना कहीं, तो ये जब हमारा गाना बजता है, इंडिया का गाना, और तमा तमा एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर गाना है हमारे देश में ही नहीं बट मतलब एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, इट प्लेज ऑल ओवर. एंड इनफैक्ट सिंगापुर में भी काफ़ी फेमस है, आप मानोगे नहीं बट वहाँ के क्लब्स में भी तम्मा तम्मा काफ़ी बजता है. सो व्हेन दिस प्लेज हाउ वुड कैरेक्टर्स लाइक बद्री एंड वैदेही रिएक्ट टू इट व्हेन दे आर अवे फ्रॉम देयर होम?
Hello.
और अब जब तमा की बात हो ही रही है, so I think we should do something more interesting than just talk about it. What do you think? Yeah? We have Shashank with us, we have Varun or Alia. So what is the most normal thing to happen next on stage? Of course, we have to dance to it. Come on.
Chamma,
And Shashank, you're going to direct us.
Chamma,
All of us.
chamma.
Yeah?
I'm going to
To
direct
the
from
hook
there
steps.
and you all can dance here.
You are a very nice dancer. Just stay here.
मैं जानता हूँ पर मैं
No, we all
हाँ.
stay on stage.
You know, हम लोग हमेशा अकेले डांस करते हैं. आज कुछ लोगों को साथ में लेके डांस करते हैं. आलोक जी आ जाइए.
Great idea.
चलो आलोक जी.
आपको भी आना है, सर?
हाँ, और कौन?
सर आप भी आ जाइए. आओ.